progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
Did you know you could convert your two-wheeler to an electric vehicle? Looking at how fuel prices aren't going to become pocket-friendly soon, more and more consumers are intrigued by electric vehicles. While many people have reconsidered the cost of a brand new electric vehicle due to the steep price tag, others have been looking for a more affordable alternative. Zoink Retrofit is a firm that is focused on retrofitting the existing scooters into electric vehicles. Speaking to Salar, this is what Sachin Shenoy, the Vice President of Zoink Retrofit, had to say.
Hi, my name is Sachin Shenoy. So I work as a Vice President with Zoink Mobility Solutions Bangalore. So we are a company that's involved in retrofitting petrol scooters to electric. So we believe electric is the future and retrofit is the immediate future, wherein you have a petrol scooter like an Activa or a Scooty Zest, you can convert that to electric and enjoy all the benefits that an electric scooter provides today. So it's the lowest entry point for you to own an electric vehicle today. And we are really excited about what the future holds for us and for India as a country, because the lower the dependence on fuel from other countries, the more the country is going to benefit. So we are really excited.